If you come to Argentina and you speak neutral Spanish, you don't pronounce words as a real Argentinian. And on top of that, you don't even use Argentinian slang. You're not gonna connect with anybody here in my country. The reason of this is pretty simple. Argentinian people is completely different from anything you can think of. We are super informal and casual people, and we use slang 90% of the time, and it doesn't even matter if it is a formal context. We will teach you the basics to learn Argentinian slang. So if you are ready, vamos a empezar. First of all, you must understand that Argentinian Spanish is more like a dialect rather than just Spanish. So there are a lot of different words that we use instead of the neutral Spanish. As for example, whenever you say bus, in Spanish it would be bus, autobus, or some other different options. But in Argentina we say colectivo or bondi. Now this happens with many different words in Argentina. So you must learn them all. There are at least over 4,000 5,000, 6,000 different words, different Argentinian words, and you must understand that that's why it's more like a dialect rather than just the regular Spanish. Now you must understand that Argentinian slang is divided with 3 different parts or sections, let's say. The first is nouns. It means simple words, as for example, colectivo, which is the Argentinian way to say bus, mina, which is the Argentinian way to say girl, and piba or pibe, the Argentinian way to say little boy or little girl. Then on the second part, second section, we have the Argentinian verbs or Argentinian slang verbs. And I'm talking about like laburar, chamullar, morfar. Laburar means to work, chamullar means to sweet talk, and morfar means to eat. There are many more just like this. And the third part would be, let's say, the expressions. As for example, when we say mal. Mal is an Argentinian expression to say that something is super good or super bad. So although it means bad, in Argentina it can be like super positive or it can be super negative. So, and that's an expression that we say all the time and you will hear a lot. That's why the Argentinian slang is divided in 3 different parts at the same time. And you must learn these 3 different topics at the same time if you really want to sound as a real Argentinian, if you really want to connect and understand people here. This is more like an introduction. My whole channel is about Argentinian Spanish, so you will find all of these different words in my channel. Let's start then with nouns. I will teach you some Argentinian words and then you will see the image and the meaning here. As for example, colectivo o bondi. Bondi es super informal, pero is common. Another one, plata, meaning money. We don't say dinero, dinero is too formal, we just say plata. Or you can also say guita, but guita is way more informal. Pibe, piba, meaning young boy, young girl. Flaco, flaca, meaning dude, or the feminine version for dude, or just a guy. So basically you understand the idea, right? In this case, I'm just talking about nouns. But let's move on with verbs, with Argentinian verbs in slang. As for example, laburar, meaning to work. Chamullar, meaning to sweet talk. Morfar meaning to eat, or as for example bancar, which means to support or to wait for somebody. Another one that is very funny and you use a lot and is boludear or pelotudear. And if you are studying Argentine Spanish and you don't understand boludo, you are not really learning anything because boludo is probably the first word you have to learn in Argentine Spanish. So boludear means to fool around and boludo is like fool or dude. Pelotudear is a stronger version, so it's like to fuck around or something like that. So these are just some verbs in Argentinian slang, but as there are too many verbs in Argentinian slang, I prefer just to mention some and then you have to do your research or you can find them all in my YouTube channel. And the last part about the Argentinian slang is the expression. The expression, there are a lot of different expressions that we say all the time. I mentioned some, right? Like for example, mal, which means bad actually in neutral Spanish, but we use it here when something is super good or super bad. Another expression we have is posta. Posta is like, seriously? Is this true? Or something like that. As for example, che, mañana voy a las cataratas del Iguazú. Posta. So I say, hey, tomorrow I go to Iguazú waterfalls. And somebody else would answer, really? Posta. And in another example, it can be something more like really, as here. Che, esto es posta el mejor mate que probé en mi vida. Hey dude, or hey, this is actually the best mate I ever tried in my life. Another Argentinian slang is dar bola. Dar bola is so funny because it means dar, to give, and bola means ball or balls. And it's very funny this one because it's like give a ball, give a ball. But in Argentina it means to pay attention to somebody, to pay attention to something. As for example, I can say, cuando me siento muy cansado y estoy en clase, no doy bola al profesor. When I'm very tired and I'm in school, I'm in a class, I don't pay attention to the teacher. And you can also use it to pay attention to somebody like a girl or a boy or somebody you like. As for example, ella no me da bola. She doesn't pay attention to me. So in this video I just mentioned three, but there are a lot of different expressions and they are so common in Argentinian Spanish that you must learn them all. Otherwise, you will not connect with Argentinian people. You will not actually really experience the Argentinian way of life. So I hope you found this video useful. This is just a very introduction of Argentinian slang. And subscribe to the channel, watch my previous videos. I'm always teaching Argentinian Spanish for beginners, so you can find absolutely everything here in this channel. And if you really want to learn Argentinian Spanish, if you really want to reach fluency in my dialect, you can do it with my one-on-one program. Everything, all the details are in the description. You can find it over there. And also, if you would like to learn more things like this, I have in my own community and platform on school, which is Argentina Spanish with Nico, and there you will learn absolutely everything about the Argentinian Spanish dialect, following my own program to learn this beautiful dialect. I hope you have found it useful. Muchas gracias por ver y nos vemos en otro video. Chao, chao.